When it comes to organizing our clothes, wardrobes are an essential piece of furniture. When it comes to organizing our clothes, they provide a dedicated space for us to keep clothing neatly ranged and accessible. But have you ever wondered how many clothes can actually be stored inside a wardrobe? Let's explore this question in more detail. The storage capacity of a wardrobe largely depends on its size and design. Standard wardrobes come with a hanging rail, shelves and drawers. The hanging rail is perfect for storing shirts, dresses and jackets. On average, a wardrobe with a single hanging rail can accommodate approximately 20 garments. However, this number can vary depending on the length and thickness of the clothes. Shelves in a wardrobe are excellent, storing folded items such as jeans and t-shirts. The number of shelves and their height can determine the overall storage capacity. On average, a wardrobe with 3 to 4 shelves can hold around 40 folded garments. Drawers are another feature in wardrobes. They provide additional storage space for smaller items like underwear. The number of drawers and their size, when it comes to organizing our clothes, will determine how many items they can hold. On average, a wardrobe with 2 to 3 drawers can store 20 smaller clothing items. Furthermore, you can utilize the top of wardrobe for storing bulky items as out-of-season clothing. This space is often overlooked but can be useful for maximizing the storage capacity of wardrobe. It's important to note that these estimates are approximate and can vary depending on the actual dimensions of the wardrobe and the size and thickness of your clothing items. You can maximize the storage capacity. Follow us and get more details.